I'm going to show you how to lengthen and thicken your hair faster using just 2 ingredients. Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Joy and you're welcome. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do kindly hit that subscribe button, and also please guys, don't forget to like this video. Now my first ingredient is cloves. Cloves stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which helps to increase hair growth. Cloves is a powerful antioxidant and treats scalp problems, and also cloves help in thickening the hair. Cloves also has antibacterial properties. As you can see, these are actually the cloves buds. These are dried. You can blend it, you can use it in a powdered form, or you can just use it the way it is. But if you're making cloves oil, then using the powdered form is going to be much better than this. My next ingredient is going to be rosemary leaves. Rosemary lengthens your hair, it makes your hair thick, it promotes healthy hair and scalp. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it is going to help you, reduce any form of inflammation on your scalp that might also hinder hair growth. So it also promotes blood circulation to your hair follicles. So I'm making use of these dried leaves. There's also the fresh leaves. You can use any one that you prefer. I'm going to be using 2 spoons of cloves. I put it into my measuring cup, and then 1 spoon of rosemary leaf. So the rosemary leaves, you can either use it in the dried way. This is the dried leaves, or the fresh leaves. They both work the same way. So I'm going to be adding my boiled hot water. So you want to use water that is boiled, or you can also use it, put it in a pot on low heat. Either way it works the same way, but I like to use boiled hot water so that I don't damage the nutrients that these wonderful herbs have. So I like to use it this way, but you can also put it on a low heat in your stove so that it can heat up, probably for 5 minutes to also infuse them. But I like to use it this way and cover it up, leave it in for about an hour. So depending on you, you can leave it in for some few days, some weeks, but I think a few hours is okay. So this is what it's looking like. As you can recall, the water was not this dark. It was not dark when we first added it, but now it's looking dark. So this is a sign that the cloves and rosemary has infused into the water. So now I'm going to be straining this out. Because they are chunky particles, I can use a strainer like this, but if it were to be in a powdered form, I'm going to be using a cheesecloth or a wig cap or a socks. But if you have something like this, they are large particles, then a sieve is okay. But if you don't have one, then you can use a cheesecloth. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to squeeze out all the water from the from the cloves out, and this is what our mixture looks like. So if you are leaving it for days or for weeks, it's going to get darker than this. So this is what our mixture looks like. I'm going to pour it back into my measuring cup because I feel to be easier to put it into my spray bottle from my measuring cup. If you've been watching my video, then you will know that I love cloves so much. I've been using cloves since last year, and I've seen a major change in my hair growth, and I'll be sharing more on this in a later video. So do turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on that video. So I recently added rosemary into my collection of herbs some few weeks back, and since I've been using it, I experience less shedding now more than before. And because I like to take down notes of my experience and changes in my hair each time I use a new ingredient, I've noticed a significant reduction in hair shedding. I just pour this into my spray bottle and then it's ready for use. I'm going to show you how I use this mixture on my hair. So you want to use it on a freshly washed hair, and when you want to moisturize your hair, you just spray it down into your scalp and try to massage your scalp with this mixture. What you just do is just to go in like a circular motion and massage that water in. Try to get it into your scalp, and then you apply it to the strands of your hair and also work that in. As you can see, I sprayed it at the ends of my hair because it helps to strengthen your hair. So I want the ends of my hair to be very, very strong, and so I just work that in. And at this point, you can also remove shedded hairs as they come. As you glide your hands down, the shedded hairs come down. Guys, look at my hair, look at my hair. So my hair has grown and I love the results so far. Please kindly let me know in the comment section if you have used rosemary before and what your experience was when you used it. If you haven't tried it, I will encourage you to try it and let me know what you feel about it. That will be all for today's video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. If you have, please kindly like this video. Guys, please like this video. It helps me. It goes a long way for my channel. If you are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button on your screen right now and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.